Tired of project chaos and endless email chains? Let's tame the madness and unlock seamless teamwork by learning how to share your Trello board with your team. First, open the Trello board you wish to share. Look to the top right corner of your screen and locate the Share button. Click on it. This opens the Share menu. The first option is to add members individually. You can type their name or email address into the search bar and select them from the list. As you type, Trello will suggest members who are already in your Trello workspace. Once you find the right person, click on their name. Next to their name, you'll see a drop-down menu. This lets you choose their role on the board: admin, normal, or observer. Admins have full control. Normal members can create and edit cards, and observers can only view the board. Select the appropriate role for your team member. Another way to share your board is by creating a shareable link in the Share menu. Click on Create a Shareable Link. Trello will generate a unique link that you can copy and paste to share with anyone. This is great for inviting multiple people at once. Keep in mind that anyone with the link can access the board, so be careful who you share it with. You can disable the link at any time by clicking Disable Link. Finally, click on the Permissions tab here. You can control various access permissions for the board, such as allowing non-members to comment or vote. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Trello board and streamlined your team collaboration. Happy Trelloing!